I'm back, I'm back. I know y'all missed me. If y'all have, type it in the chat, I missed you. So guys, I'm transitioning my YouTube journey on into learning how to become a trader. And plus, I'm gonna still give you some encouraging words of how to leave your 9 to 5 and own your own business. I'm still a business owner. I'm still a faithful Christian. I still love God and love people. And I still donate to the community. I still invest in the community. I'm just transitioning my YouTube over and showing people my trading journey, how you can become successful as a day trader. And I'm here to share with you guys the same journey. I'm going to start posting back on Mondays, and I'm going to share with y'all guys how to start investing into companies. That's what I'm going to do. I'm a believer in Christ. That's what I do. I invest into companies. And once I make a little profit to bless others, bless the community, bless people that don't have, and bless my family, I'm able to do that by investing in the companies and taking my profit. It's simple. It's a simple business. It's a simple investor. Learning to invest in companies that you believe in. Once you make a little money, you don't have to go crazy in it. Once you make a little money, then you put back. This is for people that's Uber drivers, people that's working for Amazon Flex, people who's trying to get out of that rat hamster wheel, because we in a simulation program, guys. You keep having that same cycle and over that you're getting tired of. It's time to break that cycle, get out of the simulation program, get into the spiritual program, and start living the life that God has anointed you to live. He didn't anoint you to struggle. Of course we have struggles, but he didn't anoint you to struggle in that same continuous circle. No, that's the enemy. Wants to put the same thing in your mind over and over and over. Like, hey, you got to do this or your bills due. You got to do this or your bills due. You got to do this or your car's going to get repoed. You got to do this or you won't be able to feed your family. Rent's due is coming. Bills are due. Your cell phone is due. You got to get out of that reality of living in a hamster wheel and get into the reality that you can accomplish something through the grace of God and use the tools that he gave us on earth and utilize that for your success. Simple strategy. So I will start dropping more videos tomorrow. Thank you and God bless. I'll start doing them every day again. And I love you guys. Thank you for waiting on me, and thank you for not giving up on me.